Alright, as the title of this video suggests, I'm going to show you how you can grow carrots in about 1 inch of soil. What I've got here is a drip tray for a larger pot. You can fill this up with water, put your pot in the middle, and it will keep it watered for, a period of time. Is that 1 inch? I'm calling it 1 inch or so, probably a bit more. What I'm going to do now is half fill this drip tray with some compost. We'll get the carrot seed, sprinkle them in, top it up with compost, water this in, and chart the progress over the coming growing season. So there we go. I've got a layer of compost in this tray, and the variety of carrots that I'm going to be growing is Rondo, these small round carrots. Obviously you can't grow a traditional carrot in something so shallow, but you can have a go at growing these type of carrots in this little experiment. This is going to be perfect for people who don't have a garden, who might only have a balcony or a small patio that might be, I don't know, concreted over. You can have a go at this. Right, let's open up the packet and sow the seeds. It's going to be hard doing this one-handed and trying to film, but I'll give it a go. So, as some of you might know, most of you might know, for those that don't, carrot seeds are microscopically small, really tiny seeds. So there we go. Just sprinkling them lightly onto this layer of compost, like so. That's it. Packet's empty. What I'll do now is cover this over with some more compost, water it in, and then we'll wait. So that's the seed planted up, watered in, and I'll just leave this tray outside for the next couple of weeks. 10 days later, and the carrot seedlings have started to sprout. Two weeks on, and the carrots are looking good. We're about a week and a half on from the last clip. As you can see, the carrots have really pushed on. You can see that the true leaves have come through, and they're all starting to thicken up. A little progress update is showing a mini forest. Look how lush and green these tops are. Here we are at the end of the year, at the end of the season, and at the end of this little experiment of trying to grow carrots in that drip tray. You probably won't be able to see them too much against the lawn here, but they are here, and sure enough, if I zoom in, you can see that we do have loads of carrots in this drip tray. What's happened is they've all matted together, so if I attempt to pull some out, you end up pulling out a clump of carrots like that. But carrots nonetheless. So what I'm going to do is pull out a couple of clumps. I won't pull all of them out because I want them to stay in the tray and harvest them as I want them, but I'll get some out, wash them off, and we can see what we've got. Well, there you go, proof that you can actually grow carrots in 1 inch of soil if you have the correct variety like this. Not very big, but they will perform perfectly well on the plate. And I've still got loads to go at in this tray down here over the next couple of weeks, and I am bloody chuffed with this little experiment. It gets a thumbs up from me. So why don't you give this a go next season and see if you can grow yourself some carrots in an inch of soil. Alright, that's it for this particular video. If you've enjoyed it, then please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel because that always helps. But most importantly of all, do get at me in the comments section down below and we can have a chat. Alright, bye for now.